Civil Service Exam Word Problem number 28. In 1 hour, a boat goes 13 kilometers per hour in the direction of the stream and 7 kilometers per hour against the direction of the stream. What will be the speed of the boat in still water? So choices 8, 10, 14, 6 kilometers per hour and cannot be determined. Okay, so ang question na to nanggaling sa FB group na Civil Service Exam 2023 Community. Pinadala ni KitKat Johnson. So medyo matagal na, October 27. Nasa save ko lang ito eh. So ngayon lang natin magagawa ng video. So try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so let's start. So ang formula natin para sa upstream tsaka downstream. So meron kasi dito yan. So parehas in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, a boat goes 13 kilometers per hour in the direction of the stream. Ayan, direction of the stream. So ito yung downstream. Okay? So ito yung downstream na rate. And then 7 kilometers against. Ayan, against the direction of the stream. So ito yung upstream kapag against the direction. Okay, so question, what will be the speed of the boat in still water? Okay, so para sa downstream, ang rate natin, ang rate ng downstream ay yung rate ng boat in still water plus the current. Okay? And then para naman sa upstream, ang rate ng upstream, ang rate ng boat in still water minus the current. Okay? So therefore, magkakaroon tayo dito ng system of equation. So parehas naman kasi siyang in 1 hour. Okay? So in 1 hour, ang downstream daw ay 13 kilometers per hour. So therefore, equation 1 natin, i-add lang natin. So ilet natin ang boat, ilet natin yan ay x at ang current naman ay y. Okay, so equation number 1 is x plus y para sa downstream equal daw siya sa 13 kilometers per hour. So this is equation number 1. And then for upstream, so we have 7 kilometers per hour. So we have x minus y equals 7. So this will be our equation number 2. Ang hinahanap natin ay speed of the boat or yung rate ng boat in still water. So yun yung x. Ang rate naman ng current or yun yung y. So kung mapapansin natin, so parehas lang tayong may positive y, negative y. So napakadali lang isolve na ito by ano lang ito, elimination. I-add lang natin ang dalawang equation. Ayan, so maka-cancel out na agad yung positive y and negative y. Okay, so by elimination method na lang, yun ang pinakamadaling method. So add lang natin x plus x. So may invisible yan na 1. 1x plus 1x. So that will be 2x. Y minus y. So cancel out na yan. That is 0. Equals 13 plus 7. That is equal to 20. And then last step, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, the rate of the boat or the speed of the boat in still water is 20 divided by 10 divided by 2 is equal to 10 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is letter B, 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple ang pagsagot ng problem na ito. So I hope nagustuhan yung explanation ko dito sa problem na ito. Thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga math review para sa civil service exam. Okay, so kung may question kayo ay comment nyo lang dito sa aking channel, pwede sa FB group or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger, ayan, sa Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.